Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with leaving the country after being charged with domestic violence. Let's see here. After being accused by my wife of domestic violence, I left for my country. I had problems there and decided to return. I entered without documents. I was caught and arrested. What do I do with the charges I have? They have opened my case of domestic violence. Well, they didn't open it. It was already open. What happened is you left, and so you had a warrant out. Well, when you came back, well, they got you based on that warrant. Now you have to face the charges. So, domestic violence is something that can be filed as a misdemeanor or a felony depending on the injuries that the victim suffered. If there are no visible injuries, generally speaking, that is a misdemeanor domestic violence under Penal Code Section 243E1 here in the state of California. It's a misdemeanor that carries up to 1 year in the county jail. However, if the victim suffered any kind of visible injury, then you're going to be charged with a felony domestic violence under Penal Code Section 273.5, which carries up to 4 years state prison. Now, domestic violence is considered a crime of moral turpitude, which means that in the future, if you're not a U.S. citizen, this is something that would result in deportation, exclusion for the United States, or denial of naturalization. So you need to talk to your attorney so that your attorney could go to court, enter pleas of not guilty, order copies of all the evidence, and then the judge would have to give a new court date to come back and start discussing the matter with the DA's office to see if this is the type of case that may potentially go to trial, or if the case would potentially have to get disposition by way of a plea deal. So it really depends on the details of the case. But yes, they didn't just open the case. No, the case was opened, there was a warrant out, you left, and now you came back. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who pushed a person down the stairs. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.